Welcome to Venice, the floating city of dreams where every journey begins on the water. Today, we're taking you along as we hop on a Venetian water taxi to our hotel. Whether you arrive by plane or train, Venice makes it easy to transfer directly to a water taxi. Just follow the signs for the water taxi dock. It's a quick walk, and before you know it, you'll be cruising through Venice in style. Water taxis are the most direct way to get to your destination in Venice. They're fast, comfortable, and offer you an unforgettable first look at the city from the canals. While there are cheaper alternatives to transferring from the airport, at $145 US, the style and adventure of arriving in Venice by boat is well worth the price.
This is so cool! I'm going right now.
And they're not your average boats. Each water taxi is beautifully crafted with polished wood and comfortable seats, ready to make your journey as memorable as the destination itself. Once you're out on the water, just sit back and enjoy the ride. Venice's water taxis are operated by skilled drivers who navigate the city's canals with ease, weaving through narrow passages and open stretches alike. As you cruise through Venice, you'll get a front row seat to the city's breathtaking architecture, centuries-old palazzos, charming bridges, and the busy life of the canals all around you. Nothing is more breathtaking than entering the Grand Canal and seeing gondolas floating majestically through the water and the absolutely stunning light of this amazing city. Sailing down the Grand Canal, you will pass the Rialto market and float under the majestic Rialto Bridge, just one of the many wonders of the city. One of the best parts about a water taxi is that it can drop you right at your hotel's private dock if it has one. No walking with heavy bags through cobblestone streets, just a smooth arrival Venice style. Under normal circumstances, we would have been dropped off at our hotel's doorstep. Instead, after days of rain and high tides, the flooded canals meant we had to be dropped off at the Grand Canal near the Rialto Bridge.
Not just the business travel, look, most of the street are very narrow, so you're not just straddling the bridge, but you're also straddling. This is not crowded right now.
And so, we walked through the alleys and over the bridges to reach our hotel. Carrying our bags reminded us of why we always try to travel light. In Venice, even something as simple as getting to your hotel is a beautiful adventure.
So make sure to remember when you're traveling in Venice, you travel light.
Well, folks, we hope this introduction to water taxis will help make your trip to the beautiful city of Venice more enjoyable. Once again, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy trails and travels.